Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your YOUCANIC scanner to your phone's hotspot. Now, these instructions are with an Android device, so the steps might be a little bit different for Apple, but they're pretty similar. You're going to start by going to Settings, and then selecting Network and Internet. Next, you're going to select Hotspot and Tethering, and turn Bluetooth tethering off. You don't need that. Next, turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, and then actually select that option. In here, you'll see the name of your hotspot and your hotspot's password, and you're going to need both of those when you go to connect your scanner to your phone's hotspot. So this is the hotspot name, and then this is the hotspot's password. Once your hotspot has been turned on, you're going to go to Settings on your scanner, select System Settings, and then click on Network and Internet. From here, you want to make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. You're going to go ahead and click that. And now you're going to scroll down until you find the hotspot you're looking for. So the one that I'm looking for is this pixel_3494, but the name on yours might be a little bit different. Once you plug in the password, which you can see on your phone, you should be good to go. And just like that, we are connected to the Pixel hotspot, and we are no longer connected to the office internet. When you're done, all you have to do is go back on your phone and switch the hotspot to off. This only works with a Wi-Fi hotspot and does not work with the Bluetooth tethering. In tests that I've run, I was able to get the scanner to connect to the phone via Bluetooth, but it would not stay connected for very long. So I don't think that Bluetooth hotspot tethering is an option on these particular scanners.